And welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be practicing a little bit of self-care with Lather. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys this particular brand. We're going to be using their white clay pore cleansing mask for acne prone or sensitive skin. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. I already washed my face and I have on my protective head wrap, and so now we're going to get into the clay mask. I'm just undoing it now. A little bit will go a long way. It smells amazing. I'm super excited. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this onto my skin evenly. I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then we're going to come back to wipe it off. So it's really important during this time to practice skincare. Your skin is stressed because you're stressed, and if you are eating a lot of unhealthy snacks, it's really good to kind of give it a break and rejuvenate it. So that's what we're going to be doing today with our skin. So you're going to see it, or should not feel tingly. However, it is going to be clearing up some of your must-have spots. So just be aware, do not leave it on for more than 10 minutes. And if your skin is irritated to it, go ahead and take it off. That's why we have our little protector as well. Alright, so I am applying now Lather's almond moisturizer, and guys, it smells absolutely amazing. I'm just moisturizing it all over my face, just kind of just spending time enjoying my skin, looking out for any problem areas, any sensitivity. I used a new tile today, so I have like little white feathers all over my face. Now I'm going to be using our rose gold pink quartz roller to kind of just roll in that moisturizer, get it deeply penetrating into the skin, and kind of just take a moment at this time to like breathe and just talk to myself, just remind myself that I'm worthy of everything that's going on, despite everything going on. So just going ahead and loving myself. I encourage you guys to practice self-care during this time. Now, I'm also using my shea to go over my skin as well, to kind of do the same thing I did with the roller, but kind of deeply penetrate it as well. Super in love with these beauty tools, you guys. They are amazing. So now I'm going to go in with some vitamin E oil and some hyaluronic acid to help nourish my skin. It's been a little painful the last couple of days. We've been turning on the heat and or air based on the fluctuating weather here in LA. So I'm also going to go ahead and take in my Glory, which allows me to kind of shrink and fade my dark spots. I got this from the CurlBible, so a little bit really just goes a long way. You don't need a lot. So I just really just moisturize this into my skin where I notice dark spots either appearing or needing to fade based on like marks on my skin. Under my lip or above my lip is really dark sometimes based on the ingrown hairs. I mean, you know, But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm super excited about this video.